everyone. It's day 30. You are so close to the end. I can almost taste the end of the challenge, and I hope that you're seeing those amazing results, and I know you're going to be feeling absolutely amazing by now. This is your stretch day. We definitely need this one after those tough 30 days. You don't need any equipment today. It's equipment free, but you do need a soft surface. And also, if you've got bad knees, grab yourself a cushion now, because you're going to be needing that for a couple of the poses. This is a 10-minute stretch session. What a mouthful, stretch session today. And let's get straight into it. Excited for this one? It's going to be lovely and chill. Bring your toes together, open your knees in towards a narrow V, and we're coming in towards a child's pose. Bring the hands forwards, and you're going to reach them all the way down your mat. Push your hips backwards towards your heels. Head drops down. Send the hips backwards, breathe in. And as you breathe out, push the fingertips forwards a little further and let your belly button drop deeper in between your thighs. Untuck the toes if they're tucked. If you want to, you can always put a little cushion underneath your thighs there if you've got bad knees or you can't get low. Left fingertips, thread them under your right arm and reach to me. Allow the side body to drop to the floor. Feel free to close the eyes. Breathe in, breathe out. And back through the center. Slide that other hand all the way under. So we're finding a little bit of a yoga intention in today's stretch. And gently and slowly bring that hand back forwards again. Now push the fingertips into the floor like you're pressing the floor there. And allow your chest to drop a little lower. The spine to go a little longer. Bring your hands around your shoulders. Actively now push the floor away, but use the arms, not the back. Stack your hands under your shoulders and stack your knees under your hips in towards an all-fours position. Make sure the knees aren't too close in. You want to be just like this in a little box position. Now tuck the toes. Breathe in as you breathe out. You're going to send your heels to the floor. Push the hips high and give me a down dog. So if you can just get your heels there, just keep them there, or you can take a little bend through the knees if you're really immobile. Or we're extending the knees, we're pushing the heels down, we're sending the chest low, and we're pushing the hips high. In towards your down dog hold. Breathe in and breathe out. I love this mat from Decathlon because it's got a straight line all the way down the middle. And it guides you, so it shows you where the exact center of your body is. It's quite good. Helps you with your stance in down dogs and all fours. Now you're going to bring your left foot and you're going to send it backwards, and you're going to lift the toe up to the sky just like that 3-leg dog. Now you can bring the eye line underneath the arm, or you can keep the foot on the floor. It's completely up to you, whatever you feel like doing today. Take it, breathe in, breathe out. Drop that foot back down towards the floor and try and plant the heel. Shoulders are probably feeling it by now, so we're going to lift the heels up and we're going to allow the knees to drop down towards the floor. Give me another little cat count. In and exhale. Keep the toes tucked. Lift the eyes up. And now you're going to puppy pose. So bring both the hands forwards. Press the forehead down to your mat and hips go high, puppy pose. Keep the toes tucked. Keep the hips lifted high. Breathe in, breathe out. And then gently and slowly lift yourself up. I really do want to hate about these leggings, even though they're Lululemon, so expensive ones. This big gaping bit at the back is so annoying when leggings do that. Hands under shoulders, knees and hips. Tuck, inhale, and exhale. Bring the eyes back to the floor. Now we've got to go down dog second side. So draw your eye line down, eye line down, tuck the toes, push the hips up and down dog. If this is enough for you, you're going to stay right here. Pushing the heels to the floor. Bend the knees if you need to and lift the heels, and you're gradually trying to straighten those knees, and you're gradually trying to drop the heels down for that calf stretch. Option, either stay right here if you want to go into it, guide your right toe, and you're going to take the leg up and lift the eye line up towards me, and then you go under the arm with the eye line and bring it back towards me so you get a little neck twist. Breathe in, keep breathing, you can do it. Breathe, exhale. Bring the eyes back down towards the floor and slowly, gradually drop that foot back down in towards your down dog. and hold. Hips are high. If those hands are slipping forwards, walk them back a little. Inhale and exhale. Now you're going to lift the heels up. You're going to drop the knees down, lift the eye line forwards, drop the belly button, and lift the eyes up. Inhale and exhale. Bring it back through the center, and you're going to drop your hips down towards your heels and your toes come together. Your hands come on towards your thighs and roll the shoulders up, round back. And again, up, round back. Now 2 forwards. Breathe in, round forwards, and breathe out. Exhale, round forwards. Then sweep your feet forwards all the way out in front of yourself. This right foot, you're going to bring it in and you're going to turn out through that leg. So turn out through the leg and that other leg's nice and long. Send the knee to the side. If that is enough for you, stay right here. Or we're going to reach those hands long and bring the body forwards. Now it depends on knee mobility, hip mobility, hamstring mobility as to whether you can get down. I just want you to try and drop down, knees to the side, head drops down, breathe in, breathe out. Gradually and slowly lift yourself all the way up and then change it. Your right leg goes long, your left foot comes in, turn out through that leg. Lift yourself up. Again, if that's enough for you, stay right there. Or if you want to, you're going to bring it down. Head drops down, breathe in, breathe out. Lift yourself all the way up. Bring your feet forwards. Now sweep the feet round carefully towards the back, however you want to do that, whatever's most mobile for you. And come all the way towards a kneeling position. You're going to sweep your left foot forwards. You want the knee over the ankle, pop the hands on the waistline for a little sec, and then you're going to tilt your pelvis under so you'll barely see me move, but I'm pulling pubic bone into belly button. It's going to give the deeper stretch. And then you're going to push forwards for a little hip opener, and you'll also feel it through that thigh too. Breathe in and breathe out. This is one of my favorite stretches. You use the hips so much in barre pilates. It's really important to open them. Lift up, now dig that heel in. You can either stay here or you can try and straighten through the spine and tip forward. So we're keeping a straight spine today. Don't fold forwards, keep a straight body. Shoulders down, heart shines forwards, eye line lifts in front of that toe. Breathe in, breathe out. Carefully up, pivot to me, drop your hands to the floor. Really careful if you've got knee injuries. Roll round, shin down. Leg goes out, flex the foot and drop down. Forearms come down. Chest comes down, inner thigh stretch, breathe in, breathe out. If you can, allow your belly to drop a little deeper and allow your head to come down maybe towards your hands and fold forwards. Find a breath in and a breath out. I want that big toe, your left big toe, pointing to me on your device. Slowly and gradually lift yourself all the way up and then bring that knee under the hip. Now other leg out to the side and pivot round. Back knees, please be careful. You can grab a cushion and pop it underneath the knee if you want to. Come side on, hips are square. Tilt the pelvis under. Breathe in as you breathe, exhale. You're going to rock forwards and tip, hip opener. Inhale and exhale. Lift all the way up. And then this foot, flex it, so your right foot, flex it, dig the heel in. You've got parallel hips, you've got this hip over the top of the knee. Hands pop them onto the waistline, roll the shoulders down. It's a little tricky to balance, I know. And then heart forwards as if you've got a piece of string on your heart and it's pulling forwards, 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 and hinging you from your hips. And you'll feel real deep hamstring stretch. If you can only tip slightly forward with a straight spine, that's perfectly normal. I'm a little bit more flexible than the average person, obviously, because I'm a dancer. I was a dancer, now retired. Bring the hands carefully and safely down. Sweep that leg round and in a thigh stretch. So you want to bring that big toe to me. You want to bring the forearms down to the floor and drop the chest low. In a thigh stretch. Option, inhale as you exhale, let the head drop down and in the thigh. Safely and slowly lift yourself all the way up and you're going to come to a kneeling position. I want you to take your knees in towards a narrow V. Bring the toes together like you're about to do child's pose, but we're not. We're going to go the other way. So toes together, knees open. This left hand is going to go down to the floor behind yourself. And again, you've got a piece of string on both the hips. You're going to pull that piece of string up. That's enough for you. Stay right there. Back injuries, don't do it. You're going to extend that arm over the top of the head. Opening through the hips, opening through the quads. Back stretch, breathe in, breathe out. Front body stretching, back body stretching, back through the center carefully and slowly. Give yourself a shoulder roll back. Give yourself a shoulder roll back. So move really slowly and carefully into those stretches. No injuries here today. Toes together, knees are open. Bring your right hand round towards the side. Pop your fingertips down. Stay there if you've got back injuries or issues, or option, see how it feels to maybe pull the hips, pelvis up, 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 and then reach the hands over the head. Inhale, exhale, lengthen through the front body, feel length through the thighs. Bring it back through the center. Hands go on towards your legs, 2 rolls back, 2 rolls forwards. Bring your inner thighs together. Pop your hands on towards your hips to finish off today. Shoulders down, heart open. Breathe in through the nose. And as you exhale, close the eyes. Breathe out. And well done, you made it through your stretch with me today. Hope you're loving the challenge so far, and I hope you're really taking advantage of these little stretch days that I'm throwing in there. Your body definitely needs it after doing the challenge. Okay, I will see you tomorrow for day 31. Well done, you smashed it. It's the end of the challenge and I cannot wait. Bye!